We're gonna go over yesterday's watch list and see what hit and what didn't hit. So, you there. Go to whiteboard. All right. Spy. So today's Wednesday. Monday spy dump hard under 582.41. I like puts to 575. So let's see. Take this off, take this off. We can delete this. So yesterday, this was Monday, Tuesday. What happened Tuesday? So Tuesday, I think we ended up. Oh no, this was Tuesday. So actually, let's do a replay. Monday, Tuesday. So 575 was around here. Like five. Wait a second. I don't know. Okay, so under 582.41, I said I like puts to 575 and then 565. So we opened up at 579. So that was automatic puts. So you could have wrote it down to 575, which was right here, which we tried to hold, as you see right here on this candle, but we opened up below it on this candle. We ended up falling to 572. So we didn't make it to 565, but we made it to 572. You could have made money off of puts coming to 575 and then taking your profits. Or even 572 if you was trying to hold until 565. And the moment you seen it bounce and started a stage one, you could have got out here as it went and tried to retest. You would have still been up. Um, I like calls. Did I like calls yesterday? Two May is sitting at 267. We didn't get as low as 267. We was range bound, and then we took off. So yeah, we didn't get below there. So you could have made money on the when the market the first 30 minutes of the market if you would have put it this. I guess I didn't like calls, which it ended up falling for the first what hour or so. It fell and stayed here for about 2 hours and then we took off. So yeah, you could have made money to the downside. Let's see. So that was spot. Yeah, you could have made money to the downside side. I like puts. We didn't end up reaching 575 or 565, so those targets were off. But well, no, we made it to 575. We didn't make it to 565. So first target would have hit. Um, Tesla. Tesla, I wanted a swing on that. I don't think I was trying to day trade that. We are on the 200 EMA. Oh yeah, we got gaps on Tesla to the downside. So calls over 299, puts under 275. Let's see Tesla. This was Tuesday. All right, so if you would have waited which you would have had to wait really the whole day. This shit ain't take off until 1:55. But calls over 275, you could have got in here and made profit up to 284. So that hit. Um, oh wait. Did I say calls over 299? Yeah, calls over 299, puts under 275. Don't get caught in the chop between those two zones. So this was, as you can see, we've been chop, chop, chop. So I didn't really want to trade anything in between here, even though that's a wide range for you to make money. Um, if we could get above this level today, I would entertain some calls under over 284. You can enter some calls, maybe to go up to 292 or 299. But yesterday you could have made money on the puts. Look, we opened up below 275 and we dropped all the way to 265. So to 262. So I called that. Under 275, puts under 275. So boom, you could have caught you a put. This is more than 10%. Remember when you trading, when you're doing zero DTE, zero day to my bad. When you're doing 0 day contracts where they're gonna expire the same day, you want to take your 10%. So this is more than enough. Like this move was more than enough. When you see it start to chop here like this, that means we're building out. This means buyers are holding right here. So if sellers are in control here and then we start to do this, buyers are in control. And eventually sellers, the ones who push this move down and wanted to come down further, they'll get tired of having to keep selling this every time it's popping up. So then buyers will take back control and will run. Sometimes you may see it drop and we'll do this range thing right here where we just sit in a range and then we could continue to flush down. That means the buyers got tired. So when a stock does this, you want to let it play out and then the break of either of these two range zones, if we break up, that means buyers are in control. If we break down this range, that means sellers are still in control. So yeah, you could have made money on puts coming down below this 275 level and then shit. Well actually no, I said wait until 299, but yeah, this 275 level is a key level. So under and you could put it, but I wouldn't really enter calls unless we could get I would really say over here, over this area. 289, like 290. And then you could trade for like a 10-point move back up here to like 300 or 299. But yeah, you could have made money on those to the downside. That was Tesla. Tesla still, Tesla still got to close its gap though. So I wouldn't be surprised if we got back under this 275 range. The more time we spend below this, the more likely it is to come and fill this gap right here, 255. You see, it partially filled. We still got this much to go from 262 to 255. So keep that in mind. Um, really, you know what? I wouldn't even trade. Like this is why I said I wouldn't trade in this zone right here because the better move is over 299. That means you got a lot of buyers, and hella volume coming in to go and shoot back up to like a 328 or something like that. I'd rather catch a move from 300 to 320 than 289 to 299. So gap still got to fill to the downside, so keep that in mind. We might go and fill that and then bounce and come back up, but we still need to fill that gap. All right, NVIDIA. NVIDIA, what did I even say on NVIDIA? Okay, NVIDIA hard drop on Monday. I like to see it get back to 105. It definitely hit 105 yesterday. I was watching. You could have called. I would wait for NVIDIA to get under 115 to short back to 105. If you enter calls over 115, as soon as you see profit, take it because the overall market sentiment is not bullish. So I could have alerted. Oh damn, we didn't get to 105 yesterday. I thought we did. Guess I wasn't watching as close as what I thought. Calls over. You could have for sure made 10% though if you would have got in at the right entry. You seen it pop up, it came up, and then it retested 115. So if you would have bought here at this 115 level on the retest and rode it up to 119, you could have for sure, or even if you would have rode it up to 118, you could have made 10% for sure. And you see this big red candle here? This is why I told you to take your 10% profits if you would have got in right over this 115 mark. Shit, even if you would have got in here and rode it up here, you could have made 10% if you picked the right contract. So this is why I told you to get in and take your money because this, look at this. This is bearish. Like this is a downtrend. So I didn't expect it to pop up and go anywhere crazy. Maybe puts if we could get back under 110 today to 105 or back under 115, I might try puts for to go down to 105. Um yeah, but that was another one. All of these plays they hit. Um Then yeah, like I said, we get back under 115, we could try to short the 105. Just pay attention to to the market. If we looking bullish across the boards, like then yeah, that would be a good short. But if shit is like iffy and holding up, and we got a good volume of buyers, I wouldn't chance it. I would just wait until we get back to 105 or $100 to long it. Which when I say go long, I mean buy calls off of 105 or $100. Yeah, so I said if you enter calls over 115, you would have made money, especially 10%. Google go Google. So supports at the downside at 163 and 160. I would look to invest long term, buy shares. So yeah, Google is a great company. Um, I just haven't been really seeing too much action out of Google. Like look at this zone that we chopped in. So this was nothing to trade. Like this, what am I gonna do with that? Like this is 183 to 186, a 3 point move. Like that's not gonna bring you no money for real. I wouldn't waste my time with it. But um we got down to the 165 level, so if you seen the alert, I hope you bought some shares at 165. Even if you wanted to place calls and you like, fuck it, I'll place calls. I'll trade this. If it's something it looked like you wanted to trade, you could have bought calls here and made money all the way up to 173. So we made it to 165 though and bounce. That's why I said buy at 165 or buy at 163. So everything hit. I'm gonna keep giving y'all these analysis every morning, and then we'll go over them. I'm gonna start going over them after the bell clocks us out after every trading day, so we can see what transpired. So yeah, if you got any questions, just put them in the chat, and we could go over stuff. And I'm gonna start going live more so we could trade live and stuff. But yeah, if you got any questions, just let me know. If you got any stocks you want to go over, let me know and I'll do an analysis on them and give you my feedback.